How's it going? Martin of the Belvoir Auto Spa, and we're giving Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wash and wax another shot. There it is over there. Now, I've had both people from Meguiar's as well as friends tell me this stuff has worked for them, so maybe it didn't work on this vehicle because of the ceramic coating that's on it and it just wasn't compatible. Entirely possible. So I got a new test hood here, courtesy of a viewer, because they wanted to see the ceramic coating test go on longer, so they purchased this hood and had it sent here. So thanks for that, I really appreciate it. But I'm just going to test out the hood. I'm going to wash half of it and see if this makes any difference. So let me go ahead and spray it with water first, just to show that there's no protection on here. Alright, completely flat as you can see. So let me grab the Meguiar's wash and wax right there, which has been diluted properly, and we'll see if it makes any difference. No difference. So just to make sure there's no residue on the surface. Now, in my opinion, a consumer product should just work, but we're going to check and make sure there's no residue on the surface and try it again. So let's see. Let me go grab an all-purpose cleaner. So I've got 3D super degreaser and a rag. Spray it down. So if there's residue on the surface, this will definitely get it off. Try that one last time. I can see it's definitely doing something, but it's not beating. Here's my last resort. I'm just going to dump this stuff straight on it. Well, that worked. So, I think that their directions of 2 ounces per gallon of water is being too modest. That's probably for maintenance. I would say you're probably going to need 4 ounces per gallon of water to get that to work like that, or at least close to that. So I think the instructions just need to be updated. So yeah, it does work, but you got to use a lot more than you expected. So that's that. I appreciate y'all watching. I wanted to give it a second chance because of what people told me, and there you have it. It works if you use enough, or if you dump the stuff straight on it. One thing you could do, like Gtechniq says with theirs, you can dump some of this straight on your wash mitt. So you can dilute it as they say, right? Then you can dump some of it straight on your wash mitt and then wash the panel. That should cause that to happen. But Meguiars, you definitely need to update your instructions. Whoever does that over there, because the instructions on how it is currently does not yield the results that it should. So keep that in mind. But I appreciate you all watching. I'll put a link to everything in the description, and I'll see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.